Dirt and Rust here. Went to a few yard sales and garage sales today and ended up getting this box of tools right here for $5, and this toolbox with tools in it for $5, and a couple of gardening tools here for $1 each. So we'll take a closer look. I haven't looked too close at any of this stuff, so it's going to be a surprise to me as well. So let's check it out. Let's get the gardening tools out of the way. Got the shovel. Okay, it says Union Fork and Hoe Co. Razorback I62. This is good. Gonna be a great shovel for me. This hoe, I'm gonna fix up and definitely use it. Alright, let's get to the tools. Okay, let's see what we got here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make the name out on this hammer. It's hard to say what that is right there, but I'll try to take a close-up picture and see if I can figure it out. That's the main thing I wanted in there. I wanted the hammer and I wanted this, and then the guy said $5 for the whole box, so I just took it. So these scissors are looking pretty cool. I mean, these are some fancy scissors here. Again, I don't know if you guys can make that out, but these are some good scissors for sure. These, on the other hand, are not good scissors. You know, basic. Got some wrenches here. They're pretty much worthless. But here, we got a VL check, so that's good. Some kind of crappy screwdrivers. More crappy screwdrivers. These might be good, I don't know. Stanley screwdriver. And there's not much else left in this. A little stapler. Okay, mainly those two items was what I was looking at, and I like the toolbox itself. It looks like you could put some drill bits here. So the toolbox itself is in good condition. So not bad. So let's move on to the big box and see what we have in there. Right, I'm going to start pulling stuff out of the big box. We got a ugly flashlight. Plastic box. Got like a, looks like a cobbler's hammer. I don't see any maker's marks on here. But you know what, this is the first time I've had one of these types of hammers, so I'm happy for that. Clamp. We got, let's see if there's a maker's mark on this. Got this hand drill here. I think I'm reading Stanley on. Stanley. Got all that knurling on there. This is pretty nice. I'm happy with that for sure. got poked. There's this piece of wire here, and these are really cool. I want to fix these up. I buy these kind of grass shears every chance I can get. I love these for some reason. There is a name on it. Okay. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but I can't. But I'm really happy with these for sure. Clamp. These look like pigs. Ring shears. Iowa. Got this old ruler. No. Maybe part of it's missing? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think part of it's missing. Bummer. Part of a chisel. Oh, nippers. Those are Coronas. So these will be cleaned up. Yeah, these are nice. And I'm gonna keep these for sure. These are nice. And let's see here. We got Simmons on this file. Simmons USA. Pair of pliers. Let's see, Maker's Mark. Just seeing something like forged on there. Screwdriver. Bonsai nippers. Thingy. Little box in. I don't know what this is. Anybody know what that is? Pair of wire cutters. No Maker's Marks. Getting closer, guys. Another file. I got a tape measure. Oh, that's cool. Just roll it along and measure. Not sure. Cornwell. Not sure what this is, guys. I'm sure you guys know what this is. Let me know. Another cool pair of nippers right here. Oh my goodness. Those are cool. Let's see. There's a Maker's Mark. Not seeing one. I'm always happy with some old Corona grass cutting shears here. These are really fun to clean up, and they always sharpen up so easily. Not sure what's going on here. Oh, it's got. Oh, okay, we got stuff stacked on here. Okay, I see. And we got a Dremel. Let's see, is this the battery? Oh, it's got the battery. Wait. Yeah. Maybe I could charge this thing up. I don't know. I have a Dremel charger. I don't know if it'll work though. We shall see. Some keys. Statue of Liberty. Yeah, pewter, okay. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're getting there, guys. It's more little stuff. Got this little interesting hacksaw here. And some sort of gizmo here. You guys know what this is, let me know. A pair of pliers. Ice pick. Duracell screwdriver. And a key, American Savings. Punch. Okay, this is the last of it. The rest is just some bolts and stuff on the bottom. Got a tape measure. And that thing. Screwdriver. Vermont American. Okay, that's it, guys. I had a great day today. It was awesome to get back and go out there and pick some tools. Oh, got one more thing. Got this, I think it's a splitting wedge axe for $1. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.